Today we are making Suspiro a la Limeña, a classic Peruvian dessert with silky manjar and a port meringue. This recipe serves 6 people, and the total prep time is about 3 hours including chilling. Get ready for a chilled spoon dessert that melts in your mouth. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 can of evaporated milk, 12 ounces. This adds body to the manjar. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces. It brings the traditional caramel sweetness. 4 large egg yolks. They enrich the custard. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Classic aroma for the manjar. 1 cup granulated sugar. This will become the syrup for the meringue. 1/3 cup water, about 80 milliliters. To dissolve the sugar for the syrup. 1/4 cup port wine, 60 milliliters. The classic Peruvian touch for the meringue. 3 large egg whites. For a glossy Italian-style meringue. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, for dusting. A fragrant finish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. In a medium-heavy bottom saucepan, combine 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Place the pan over medium-low heat and stir constantly with a spatula until it thickens, bubbles slowly, and leaves clear trails, about 20 to 25 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks. Slowly temper them by whisking in 2 tablespoons of the hot milk mixture. Then whisk the tempered yolks back into the saucepan. Cook over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes more, stirring. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and take the pan off the heat. Transfer the manjar to a glass bowl and press plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent a skin. Let it cool for 20 minutes at room temperature. Divide the manjar among 6 small glass dessert cups and refrigerate for 2 hours to chill completely. For the syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/3 cup of water in a small saucepan. Set it over medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer without stirring. Cook the syrup until it reaches about 240 degrees Fahrenheit, soft ball stage. Add 1/4 cup of port wine and simmer for 2 minutes more. Keep the syrup hot. In a stand mixer bowl, whip 3 large egg whites on medium speed until they reach soft peaks. With the mixer running on medium, carefully drizzle in the hot port syrup in a thin stream. Increase to medium-high and whip until glossy stiff peaks and the bowl is barely warm, about 5 to 7 minutes. Spoon or pipe the meringue generously over the chilled manjar in the cups, building tall swirls. Dust the tops evenly with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Refrigerate the assembled desserts for 20 minutes to set the meringue. Serve the Suspiro a la Limeña cold straight from the fridge. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Peruvian classic, tap like, subscribe for more desserts, and hit the bell to get notifications. See you next time.